Continuing on, so we have the pulley system. We went ahead and just in review, we went over the locking. So the finger, the hook, the spring, 3 shoulders, and the 2 mounting. There's your ladder stop. There's your ladder stop. We went through that. We went through the rungs, 1.25 inch, 20 equally spaced serrations. Maybe that's one thing I didn't hit. 20 equally spaced serrations. Make sure you recognize those are notched. Make sure you recognize that they're notched in the bed. They are not on the fly. So let's talk about our stickers. We're gonna have our actual temperature stickers. This ladder is rated for 300 degrees. 300 degrees. 2 temperature probes on each section, so a total of 8. So after the second rung, you have 2 up there with an expiration month and year, and directly in the middle, month and year. And then we have our DA stickers. Okay, DA stickers traveling down the line. So this DA stickers, so our DA, our first one, failure to use this ladder correctly can lead to injury and death. Electrical, 10 foot of clearance. We have our actual the way the ladder should be aligned. So this should be at 75 feet, 75.5 or 1/4 the working angle of the actual footage. So we have 6 feet, 6, 12, 18, 24. That's what it means. So 6 feet from the actual wall. Down the line in the first foot, first 12 inches, there should be a designation of the footage of the ladder. So it should be a 24. You come on this side, we actually have the yearly maintenance. So every year this does go through a horizontal test, where basically they will place the ladder onto wooden horses 6 inches, and in the middle they will put 350 pounds for a minute, then 500 pounds for 5. If there is a deviation in the ladder a 1/2 inch or more, this ladder must be put out of service. Okay, must be put out of service. Continuing on, when it comes to maintenance of this ladder, make sure that you clean it with soap and water. Okay, clean soap and water. You can use mild soaps. Make sure you don't use anything harsh, because it'll mess up the stickers. Make sure you scrub it, clean it, look for any cracks, deviations. Check the weld on here, check the rope, check the halyard, make sure there's no fraying. Check the actual rung plates, check the rivets. Check this, make sure it's working, make sure the fingers are functioning well. Make sure that the ladder is extending well. This is a tongue and groove construction, so make sure once you fully extend it that you actually wax the tongue, and that'll allow smooth movement of the ladder. Okay, when it comes to actual placement, you're doing vertical ventilation. We want to make sure we have it on the opposite side of the portion that you are ventilating, and we have at least 2 ladders for egress. Entrance into an actual compartment or window. We need to have at least 1 rung. If we are rescuing, we're right under the windowsill. If we're doing horizontal ventilation, make sure you are on the leeward side. Anything else other than that? I think that is all for the 24-foot ladder.